Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix if subscription is not available for you. So guys, if you want to subscribe Snapchat Plus and showing subscribing is currently not available, so what you need to do guys, just simply you have to log out your account from your device. So let me tell you that if you have made two accounts on the same phone number, same email, then you have to use the older account. Okay guys, and then check if it's showing or not. If it's still not showing for you guys, then I have a working method for you that I have already done here, and I can easily subscribe this. So for that you have to take iDevice of your friend or your family member. Okay guys, if you have iPhone, just simply have to log in your account there, and you can easily view subscribing option, so you can subscribe Snapchat Plus from there and you can use the features. Okay guys, just simply have to subscribe Snapchat Plus in iDevice and just simply log out the account, and you have to log in your account here. Okay guys, and your Android device. Okay guys, you can easily get Snapchat Plus feature by following this way. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.